You been at the house, locked down a little bit.
Hey, he recording it.
I had to come to Texas right, man.
What it do, boy? And my boy B Nasty back on his bike, baby. What up, y'all? It's your boy, man. It's Friday night, y'all, and I'm headed over to support my boys, Notorious one. Yes, sir. If you caught a lot of my earlier videos, you see I used to ride with them cats. Great MC club, man. I made great friends out of there, man. K9, B Nasty, Buck Wild, Showtime, and all the other fellas, man. I don't want to call old school. Oh man, I want to start calling names because I forget some of them. I hadn't rolled with them in a while, but I'm headed over here, baby. Let's get it. We are here, baby. I think he finna get that car. Cause that car ran that light. We are here, baby. At Buffalo Joe's Grill and Bar. This is where we were when they had. This is where they had their meetings at. Boy, and my boy B Nasty back on his bike, baby. What's up, baby? Boy, look at these boys, man. It's the Notorious one. My boy B Nasty back over and walking right over there. After he had his accident, man, but thank God he's still here with us, man. Yes, sir. Look at my dude, back up and walking. Give me love, dog. Oh, the arm still messed up? Yeah. Good. But it's good you walking, though, man. What's up, boy? You done lost some weight, boy.
I know, right?
What's been up, man?
Wifey got me doing right, eating right.
Hey, if you want to live and be here.
Looking good, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Looking real good.
Yeah, man, we here, baby. We are here. You know I had to come support my fellas. So yeah, but hey, I'm gonna get off this bike, man. Peace. Well, we out here, baby. Boy, grill down here. My boy B Nasty is back on the street. Yeah. Boy coming in, supporting. Tell the people, B Nasty, how you feeling, dog? Yeah, man. What's up, man? Boy coming in strong right here. Yeah. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, baby. What's up, boy? What's up, man? How you doing, dog? out here, baby. What's up, boy? Chilling, man.
Happy to have you out here,
Yes, sir, man. These are the fellas, man. They out here till the break of dawn. We got Shay on twos right here. So, yeah. Hey, man, get out the bike. Already got the tick out this man. What's up, man?
Doing good.
I'm good.
How about Jack Dennis?
Yes, sir. These boys got it going on out here, man. What's up, man? Yes, sir. I remember you from Black Wall Street. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hey, Pops, what's up, man? I'm good, man. How you doing, baby? Shay on two.
Hey, Shay on twos out here.
How many hours? How long did it take you to get here? K9, what's up, bro?
What up, though, man?
What's up, man? How you doing, man?
I'm good, baby. How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Alright,
I'm good.
Oh, I flew, but we ain't gonna talk about that.
Oh, man.
I know, but it's all right.
It's all good,
It's all right. I ain't got nothing to prove, cause y'all know what I do. It's all right. We out here though. We made it here safely, and we are celebrating Notorious One's first anniversary of Dallas chapter, y'all. We outside. We outside.
What's up, boy? How you doing, man? You too, man? Chilling, man. You coming in here hot a while ago. We out here, baby. We out here. I had to come and support my people, man.
Killing me. If you don't get that camera out my face.
How you doing?
Am I right? How you doing?
I had to come to Texas right, man.
In the booth. In the booth.
Right in Texas, boy.
That's why I had to get the
Hey, man, I know you recording that shit.
Y'all be quiet, you dog. We're gonna see if we can find the president. Where your son at, man?
straight at the bar.
Oh, okay, I see him now. Yeah, man. Hey, how's it going, man? Telling me, man. I'm good. How you doing, man? Good. How y'all doing? Yeah. Yeah.
I appreciate that, man.
You ain't never on time. You ain't never on time.
I'm always on time. Always on time.
Y'all hear that, man? He just pulled up about 5 minutes ago.
That's all right.
Love you, though, man.
Hey, that's all right. Cause look, I've been at the hotel, running errands and everything.
Oh, okay. You handling the business.
Yeah, I've been handling business.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Brother,
You drove or you walked? Or you rode the bike? Which one did you do?
Hey, you probably had to jump on him, motherfucker. He hating on the Indian, man. Stay hating on the Indian.
I didn't see it out there. Is it out there?
It's the only white bike, bro.
Hey, you know why you ain't see it?
Only white bike out there.
You see that motherfucker. That's why.
Yeah, hater.
He just not getting back on. What, about 2 years? It's been about 2 years since you've been doing something, dog?
See how they hate?
I know you had the new baby, newborn, and everything.
See how they hate?
It's all good, man.
So we know you've been at the high, locked down a little bit.
Hey, he recording this. I didn't realize he was recording this. He gonna put
That's the wifey right there. Yeah, that's the wifey right there. She been having them locked down at the house.
Hey, I ain't think you could triple charge a bike for 2 years.
Man, been on triple charge for 2 years, dog. Come on, man. 2 years? Your barrel be done burn up sitting on the triple charge.
Don't listen to him.
Hey, he on that Indian, y'all. He on that other bike.
My bike runs just fine. I still put miles on it.
Hey, it's been 2 years since he put miles on it.
I mean, it's been 2 years since I had a trip over 5,000 miles.
Right. For the year.
Nah. Man, Maybe, man.
It's been that long.
A newborn do something to you. A newborn do something to you.
Yeah, his wife got it locked down. But yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah. And he'll ride it though, man. When he can get away, he'll ride it.
Hey, California, Georgia, Illinois, Michigan.
Yeah.
I get out there. But a newborn do something to you.
Hey, that been about 2 years ago though. Yeah, that been about 2 years ago when he did all that ride. But we ain't gonna talk about that.
That was like in 1 year though. That was like in 1 year.
It's all good. He a rider though, y'all. He a rider. I had to come support these fellas, man. These fellas got my channel jumped off. So, yo, we get up, which is dark. Nah, I'm over there, man. What's going on? What's going on, y'all?
I got y'all pulled up, man. What I gotta do to get down?
Hey, man, get a motorcycle. He said, what do you gotta do to get down? Get that motorcycle. Yeah, you can get down, dude. Hey, we don't mind who ride with us. But y'all see where we at, man. We out here supporting Notorious ones, man. This actually the first MC that I got on the road with. And where we go? We went a couple of different places. Well, Little Rock was one of the main places because we hit the King of the South. Man, my dog bone them. I can't even think of the name of the MC. But yeah, we hit a couple of places, man. So yeah, Oklahoma with them, Tulsa. So yeah, I've been a couple of places with these guys. So I definitely had to come show my love and support cause they club support my channel. So yeah, so we good, man. We good out here. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna show some of these bikes, man. We're gonna show some of these bikes. These boys letting these LEDs just rock on these bikes. So yeah. What's going on, man? I'm good. How you doing, man? What's up, boy? Come through here. Don't drop that thing down. I can't help you pick it up. Yeah, that thing go right there, man. Look at my boy. He done got the 21 point on. I ain't seen him in a while, and he got the Khrome Werks barking now, dude. Hey, I help a few folks, huh? Yeah, people watch the channel. I help a few folks, huh? Yeah, that boy sound good, man. Yeah, dude. Yeah, man.
What's been happening, bro?
Working, man. Working. Living the dream, dog.
Yeah, that's all.
Boy, that boy got that Khrome Werks barking. Looking good, dog.
I've been seeing King Gong on the internet, man. You looking good, too.
Appreciate it, man.
Change him up every week.
Hey, no, man. I got something else going on there in the morning.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Hey, I got quite a few things coming. So, yeah. I know you. Your man, Willie B.
I know.
Where's he at?
He at home.
You rode or you flew too?
I wish they
Tell the truth. Tell the truth, shame the devil.
Listen.
Hey, there's nothing wrong. I know y'all ground pound anyway.
Hey, listen. At the end of the day,
Y'all ground pounders. I already
ground
know.
pounders. Hey, look, we gotta go too many places. First of all, you gonna see us on Tuesday in Oklahoma, right? Like Wall Street.
Oh, y'all
Wall
coming?
Street.
Okay, cool.
Absolutely. You see us out there. Texas. Y'all gonna see us on Tuesday, Texas.
It's my area. So y'all cool.
Hey, listen. We're happy to be here.
Y'all cool with me. But tell Will I say hello. So we be talking sometimes through just messages on y'all videos. He said we're gonna run into each other because I know I go to Waco a lot and I know one of their chapters down that way.
They got so many chapters. Yeah, they got chapters.
Yeah, because he went down there last year. But I think he rode by himself.
He did. I was mad as hell. I was like, I'm going to take this by myself. He was like, no.
What you gonna be mad for? You got a bike. You could have rode right beside
He
him.
won't let no. I had the kids.
Oh, okay, that's understandable.
And you know, it was his
take her
filthy.
home.
Yeah, and I did. for me to ride Texas alone. He not gonna have it. But I was with her though. Be my dog.
Well, you went alone then. You went alone.
I'll text you and then you know I'm on my way home.
The wife is, I would say, for Notorious one. That's the wife for Notorious. This ATY.
Hey.
What's going on, boy? Notorious ones of Atlanta.
Atlanta.
Yeah, boy, Atlanta.
You ground pound out here, did you fly?
Huh?
You ground pound, did you fly?
I flew this time, but I was ground pound.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I give you that.
Yeah, they right.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And this is what happened last time. I'm in the
Look at this man chilling right here. I'll say hello to the camera, man. You gonna be on there, baby. Here you go.
That's how we do it.
That's how we do it out here. That's how we do it out here. Hold on. What's up, fella? I got the jewelry shop over there. Oh, the light comes down. Hey, but your boy finna get ready to get out of here, y'all. I got a dentist appointment in the morning. Notorious one, what's up, baby? Yes, sir. So yeah, man, we finna get ready and get up out of here. I get up with y'all later. Y'all have a blessed night, man. I'm gonna get on this bike. I'm finna get to the house. I'm tired, baby. It's Friday night. Peace. Huh? What? Let me. What did he say?
I was speaking, man. What's up?
You speaking in tongues. I didn't hear you.
You didn't wait on. I boy, I know you like a book. You know that, right?
Why you say that?
I said, watch Kevin B call me an hour or 2 hours before it's time to go.
Hey, you already know. Hey, be nasty, no you. I mean, where y'all at, dog?
I took all that shit off.
Yeah, man, y'all say good night, man.
You took a raise.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all have a good one. Excuse me, bro. Good talking to you, bro.
All right, man. Good to see you.
Yes, sir.
I don't do this.
Yes, sir.
You see, pull out here.